In this aid, we will voice our own and market's viewpoint on ELON future while talking about the Dogelon Mars cost gauge for 2023 and then some, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Kindly remember that you ought to think about this and some other expectation while considering other factors, since foreseeing anything is an unpleasant errand, not to mention foreseeing the eventual fate of a novel, profoundly unpredictable monetary resource like Dogelon Mars. Presently, we should head into it in an unobtrusive manner. Before we dive profound into the Dogelon Mars value expectation and answer questions in the event that ELON basically is a kind of wise venture or not. For what reason will ELON succeed or especially fizzle, or for what reason will Dogelon Mars value rise or drop? We should rapidly toss a look at what ELON for the most part is and its to-date history. ELON value expectation for the following 10 days. Amazingly, the fundamentally entire crypto world for the most part is on an edge of a truly complete breakdown, which is very critical. Bitcoin has fallen 75% from its unsurpassed high in the midst of more extensive market declines brought about by seething expansion, and US took care of rate climbs. At the point when add the latest implosions of tremendous industry players into the situation, the horizon in every practical sense is dim and there will be more blood in the city of the crypto town. Financial backers especially are selling unsafe resources and moving into substantially more steady business sectors. Crypto is as yet seen as an extremely unsafe generally play, and consequently the auction. Our algo still sees us genuinely green in 2023, particularly in the very second piece of the year. This is generally reflected in our 2023 expectations. At the present time, Bitcoin in a real sense needs to especially find a base before we can move in the exact inverse bearing and alter the course in an unobtrusive manner. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will sort of begin to do likewise. We certainly have seen this situation many generally times in the far-off and genuinely later history, and in every way that really matters, large way. Our cost expectation model explicitly is negative for the following 90 days, with a smidgen of a positively trending market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2, which is genuinely huge. We generally expect whales and by and large other greater players in the market to basically wrap up filling their packs around that time, which will cause an ordinary and unexpected crypto spike in an unpretentious manner. Group made a cost expectation model with a complex way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized examination and basic evaluation of each task in a quite enormous manner. Essentials that we especially assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, promoting endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and theoretical potential, and a few fundamentally other exclusive elements created in our crypto lab. 2023 04 21.18% $0 00002 2023 04 21 plus 4.30% $0 00002 2023 04 222.87% $0 00002 2023 04 23 plus 6.49% $0 00003 2023 04 24 plus 4.48% $0 00003 2023 04 250.68% $0 00003 2023 04 26 plus 3.49% $0 00003 2023 04 27 plus 3.35% $0 00002 2023 04 28 plus 4.16% $0 00003 2023 04 29 plus 1.90% $0 00006 2023 04 30 plus 0.92% $0 Mars value expectation 2023, or so they thought. High expansion and very dangerous large-scale circumstance especially pondered vigorously Bitcoin cost in 2022 in an unobtrusive manner. At the point when we take the inward crypto issues with large players like FTX, Celsius, Explorer, Luna going down, 2023 explicitly isn't looking excessively great for the bulls. We will presumably truly see a great deal of really exhausting sideways cost activity with an inclination to slip lower with every minor market quake, or so they thought. Forecast model brings market feeling into a record and responds likewise. The following is a month-by-month breakdown of the kind of last a long time of 2022 and 2023. 2023 May 14.64% $0 00001 2023 June 32.37% $0 00002 2023 July 16.58% $0 00003 2023 Aug 16.41% $0 $0.0004. 2023 SEP 2.83% $0 $0.00006. 2023 Oct plus 1.85% $0 $0.00007. 2023 NOV plus 12.72% $0 $0.00003. 2023 DEC plus 24.50% $0 $0.00003. 2024 JAN plus 23.56% $0 $0.00003. 2024 Feb plus 29.91% $0 $0.00001. 2024 Blemish plus 35.99% $0 $0.00001. 2024 Apper plus 51.50% $0 value forecast 2025 our expectation model sees ELON coming to $0 2025. Or so they thought. What will ELON be for the most part worth in 5 years? Which really is very huge. The cost of ELON in 5 years could in a real sense lie around $0. Dogelon Mars value expectation 2030 to 2040, which is very critical. What Dogelon Mars will be worth in 2030. Our determining model sees Dogelon Mars coming to $0 2030 in a huge manner. What Dogelon Mars will be worth in 2040 in an unpretentious manner. Our estimating model sees Dogelon Mars coming to 3 cents in 2040 amazingly. Will Dogelon Mars supplant, outperform, overwhelm Bitcoin? No, Dogelon Mars won't supplant or overwhelm BTC, which in a real sense is very critical. Could Dogelon Mars at any point most certainly reach 10 cents? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for Dogelon Mars to really reach 10 cents in the short or mid-term period. Could Dogelon Mars at any point in a real sense reach $1, which is very critical? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for Dogelon Mars to generally reach $1 in the exceptionally short or mid-term period. Might Dogelon Mars at any point reach $10? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for Dogelon Mars to in a real sense reach $10 in the genuinely short or mid-term period. Might Dogelon Mars at any point reach $100 in opposition to mainstream thinking? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for Dogelon Mars to truly reach $100 in the genuinely short or mid-term period, in spite of prevalent thinking. How high will Dogelon Mars go? Our determining model sees Dogelon Mars cost crashing and dropping to approach $0 in a removed future. Is Dogelon Mars kind of worth purchasing in an unobtrusive manner? We don't see a brilliant future for Dogelon Mars in a very significant manner. It for the most part merits purchasing just as a transient hypothesis with a decent leave methodology, which especially is very huge. Dogelon Mars for the most part is definitely not a decent truly long-haul hold, which is very critical. Is Dogelon Mars a wise venture? Dogelon Mars generally is certainly not a wise interest as we would see it, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Why? Indeed, it faces a furious rivalry from other comparative crypto projects, doesn't stand apart with its innovation and development, doesn't in every way that really matters, have a certified local area, and the group behind the task is dubious. Could Dogelon Mars at any point make you a tycoon? No, Dogelon Mars could not cause you a tycoon as we generally at any point don't see it doing a 10x cost increase.